Welcome to the Screen Cleaning Kit. In this video, we will walk you through what it is, what it does, and what you can do, along with a little context as to why you need it. Let's get started. Did you know we are surrounded by chemicals? It's in our water, in our food, and in our air. We bring a lot of chemicals into our homes. Often, these are products we use every day, such as bleach, dryer sheets, or disinfectant wipes. Did you know, out of the 84,000 chemicals that have been introduced into the environment, only 200 have been tested, and very few have been tested for their safety on human health? That's a big number, but you've taken the first step to make your home healthier. Let's walk through what you can expect from this kit. What is in this kit? This screen cleaning kit uses products to remove dirt, dust, and germs without the use of harsh chemicals. Cleaners in the kit are based on 3 common and safe ingredients: baking soda, or Bon-Ami, white vinegar, and dish soap. That's it, so you can be assured that the items in this kit will not harm you and will make for a better, safer home. What does this kit do?
How does using this kit make you safer in your home? By using the products in this kit, you can reduce any unnecessary exposure to chemicals. Chemicals that may be linked to asthma, fertility problems, and cancer.
So what can you do? Start by following the recipes included in the kit. Tips. Follow these tips when choosing household products. 1. Avoid products labeled warning, danger, or poison. 2. Use cleaning products with safe ingredients. 3. Avoid fragranced or scented products as they may contain petroleum distillates. 4. Read the label and follow the instructions carefully. Only use the amount of cleaning, sanitizing, or disinfecting product as directed. 5. Avoid using antibacterial products unless absolutely necessary. 6. Never mix chlorine bleach and ammonia, as doing so will produce a deadly gas. 7. Keep all household products out of the reach of small children. Now that you know more about this kit, how to use it, and a few tips and tricks around household chemicals, you are ready to use safer products to clean your home. Start by following the recipes included in the kit.
To learn more, go to www.yourairmatters.org. This project is brought to you by the Partnership for Air Matters and funded by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Thanks for watching.